plans for this corner. Basically, we're going to bring that edge of the track as far up as we can, and then that is going to be a really high-speed banked hairpin, which I'm presuming has basically never been done before for go-karts, so because it's actually been probably almost a year since we've been here. It's kind of hard to make out the track, but we've got our work cut out for us. And this bottom hairpin has seen better days. We're going to do extensive repairs to this. It's just too steep just here. I'll cut a video at some point and show you guys what it used to be like. Yeah, you can definitely see that it's a little bit too wet just here. We're going to have to let the track dry out, I think. Oh! Ah, no! This will all look way better once we're finished working on it. It's looking pretty shabby at the moment.
Doing track maintenance today. You can see Dane on the brush cutter. I'm in the skid steer. Look how good he looks. We're taking a lot of the dirt from the inside of this corner here, and we're putting it on the outside of the corner. And what we're trying to do is build a NASCAR track. And we think that if we can build a NASCAR corner, we'll be able to go around that corner much faster. That's the aim. We'll just see how it goes. Look at this beast go. Woo! Yeah! Nice.
We're actually going to completely revamp the irrigation system. We're going to ditch the sprinklers. The sprinklers are just too much of a pain, so we're going to move to an irrigation system behind one of Josh's farm vehicles.
What do you think of that?
It was really mint before it started spraying in the back of the ute, purposely forward. Oh, can you make that ratchet strap so it's holding it to the back?
Yeah, okay.
It doesn't really need to be held down. It's heavy as fuck.
Why don't we just put something around it?
Look how much better that is, seriously. So right here we've taken heaps of material out from this part of the track and then moved it to the inside to make this turn far more dramatic, I suppose. How's the operating going?
Terribly. Really bouncy. Just don't put any of it in any videos and we'll be sweet.
Pretty sure we're going to.
I don't know if there are videos on the internet of go-karts going around a berm, but this is what this should be.
I actually said that before, hey.
Really?
That I'm pretty sure I've never seen a go-kart on a berm before.
If we get the gradient shallow enough, there's no reason why we can't be right up on top of that berm.